Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Urdu Lovers. Today we will learn about the first lesson of Urdu language, the alphabets. Urdu have 40 alphabets, so let's start. Alif, Alif. It sound in English A. Alif madda, Alif madda. It sound in English A. B, B. It sound in English B. P, P. It sound in English P. T, T. It sound in English T. T, T. It sound in English also T. The first one is soft T and the second one is heavy T. Th, Th. It sound in English S. Jim, Jim. It sound in English J. Ch, Ch. It sound in English Ch. He, He. It sound in English H. He, He. It sound in English H plus X. It's not K, it's H. Dal, Dal. It sound in English D. Dal, Dal. It sound in English also D. The first one is soft, dal, and the second one is heavy, dal. Zal, Zal. It sound in English Z. Re, Re. It sound in English R. Array, Array. It sound in English also R. The first one is soft, Re, and the second one is heavy, Array. Z, Z. It sound in English Z. Say, Say. It sound in English S. Seen, Seen. It sound in English S. Sheen, Sheen. It sound in English Sh. Swat, Swat. It sound in English S. Zwat, Zwat. It sound in English Z. Toe, Toe. It sound in English T. Zoe, Zoe. It sound in English Z. And it sound in English E. Ran, Ran. It sound in English G plus G. Fe, Fe. It sound in English F. Cough, Cough. It sound in English Q. Cuff, Cuff. It sound in English K. The first one is heavy, cough, and the second one is soft, cuff, guff. It sound in English Jim. Lam, Lam. It sound in English L. Meme, Meme. It sound in English M. Noon, Noon. It sound in English N. Noon gunna, Noon gunna. It sound in English also N. When it come after the word, it has no sound like jaye, khaye, aaye. Wow, wow. It sound in English W plus V. Hamza, Hamza. It sound in English A plus E plus I. Hey, hey. It sound in English H. Hey, hey. It sound in English also H. The first one is soft, hey, and the second one is heavy, hey. Choti ye, badi ye. It sound in English Y. Thanks for watching.